Welcome. Today, we're going to do something really special. This isn't just a routine. We're embracing a ritual. It's all about carving out a moment just for you to reset, restore, and reconnect. So let's begin this beautiful process of self-care. And you know what the best part is? This isn't some huge, lengthy commitment. It's a brief but powerful little escape. Yep, just 10 to 15 minutes is all you're going to need to completely transform your state of mind and, of course, the health of your scalp. So let me ask you a question. When was the last time you truly just paused? The last time you gave yourself a moment to just be? Hey, if you can't remember, that is perfectly okay. That's exactly why we're here today. Now, why is this so important? Well, think about it. A healthy scalp is literally the foundation for healthy, beautiful hair. It's the source of all the good stuff, the nutrients and the strength. And this is especially crucial if you're getting ready for protective styles like braids, wigs, or extensions. You're basically building the perfect canvas. Okay, so our ritual begins right here with the preparation. This first phase is all about mindfulness, really focusing on the simple, sensory act of creating the perfect blend for your scalp. So, step one is simple. You're just gonna mix. You'll take the clay and start blending it until you have this wonderfully smooth, consistent texture. Really feel the ingredients coming together as you prepare your mask. All this step needs is about 30 to 60 seconds of your focus. That's it. It's just a brief centering moment to connect with the ingredients before we get into the deep purification. And that brings us to the heart of the ritual, purification. This is where we apply our beautiful mixture and just allow it to draw out and release everything that no longer serves your scalp. You know, things like product buildup and excess oils. This phase has two main actions. First, that mindful application of the mask, and second, the quiet, patient period of detoxification. Let's take a look at how this unfolds. The application itself is an act of care, and it takes about 1 to 2 minutes. There's no need to rush. You're just going to methodically coat your scalp along your parts, making sure every inch gets all the purifying benefits of the clay. And now, you pause. This is the detox. So go ahead, close your eyes. Take a nice deep breath, and just visualize the mask gently drying out and lifting away any buildup and impurities. Just let it all go. This is your sacred time. For the next 10 to 15 minutes, you just rest. You can meditate, maybe listen to some calming music, or just sit in stillness while the treatment works its magic. This is your moment to release. Now that the purification is all done, we get to move into the final, rejuvenating phase of our ritual. It's time for restoration, to wash away the old and welcome in some deep nourishment. This beautiful final act is made up of 3 steps: a thorough rinse, a nourishing oil massage, and a final botanical restore. Let's move through them together. Take a full 2 to 3 minutes for this rinsing step. It's not just about getting the clay out, it's about imagining any remaining stress or tension just washing away with it. You're revealing a scalp that feels incredibly clean, light, and refreshed. Next, we nourish. For the next 1 to 2 minutes, gently apply the soothing oil directly to your cleansed scalp. Use your fingertips to massage it in. This stimulates circulation and delivers moisture right where it's needed most. And for our final touch, we restore. This last step takes just a minute or 2. You'll finish with the botanical rinse, which seals in all the benefits of the ritual, leaving your scalp balanced and serene and completing this whole cycle of care. And just like that, you've done it. Take a moment to acknowledge the time and care you've just given yourself. The ritual is complete. If you feel called to bring this experience into your own life, you can simply scan the code you see right on your screen. It'll guide you to everything you need to begin your own scalp reset journey. So take one last deep breath in and exhale. Your ritual is complete. Your foundation is cared for. Your scalp is restored. Enjoy this feeling of total balance.